Good day, class, especially to my grade 10 students. So this purpose of video recording of the explanation about word problems involving combination ay para ma-review or ma-revisit ninyo yung mga solution sa ating last one, especially sa mga absent na wala during the discussion. At the same time, this will also be your reviewer sa mga upcoming quizzes, summative exam, especially to your periodical test. Okay, let's get started. Question number 1. A dance instructor asks each student to do 4 out of the 10 dance routines. So take note, class, of the given 4 ang kailangan natin. Then ang pagpipilian na dance routines ay 10. Of the 10 dance routines, so kinategorize mo ang ating dance routine into easy, moderately difficult, and difficult. 2 easy, 5 moderately difficult, at 3. So the question is, in how many ways can a student select each of the following for the 4 dance routines? 4 moderately difficult routines ang kailangan natin makuha. Again, the given is based in our letter A, pagpipilian natin ay 5, ang kukunin lang ay 4. So, first step, take note the value of N and R. Yung N, 5 natin na pagpipilian. Then, 4 yung ating kukunin na combination. Again, 5 and 4. Then the formula on your screen, the combination of R and taken R at a time. Next, here's the solution. So after you recall the formula, diretso po kayo sa substitution. Then simplify natin. Okay? PEMDAS rule, may parenthesis muna. 5 minus 4, that is 1 factorial. Then expand nyo po silang factorial niyan, numerator and denominator. We have here. Then yung mga naka-orange na factor, sila yung mga common na ika-cancel natin. So, ang mga naiwan na lang, 5 for numerator and 1 for denominator. Or, the final answer is 5 ways. Let's move on to number 1, letter B question. How about if out of 4, ang kukunin lang po natin, class, ay 2 moderately difficult at 2 difficult routines. So, in this part, kailangan separated. Out of 4, 2 moderately difficult. So, ibig sabihin, pipili tayo ng 5 moderately difficult ng 2. Okay? At para naman po sa difficult routines, ang pagpipilian natin ay 3. Okay? So, let's continue. So, the given for moderately difficult ay 5, yung pagpipilian natin based sa problem. Ang kukunin lang ay 2. The solution on your screen, substitute lang natin. Ang final answer under moderately difficult ay 10 ways. Okay? 10 combination lang ang makukuha natin. Sa moderately difficult, 5 pagpipilian, 2 ang kukunin. Yung other half naman, since 4 yung total ng combination dapat, as a whole, okay, 4. So yung 2 ay sa difficult. Take note, yung ating N na pagpipilian natin sa base sa problem ay 3, 2 yung ating R. Okay? Solution, substitute nyo lang, class, and simplify. Final answer is 3 ways. 3 ang makakuha natin na unique combination sa difficult at 10 naman sa moderately difficult. Okay, total of 4. Since may 10 in 3, yung 4 na yan, yung 10 moderately difficult at saka 3 difficult, pwede sila i-arrange in a different ways. Okay? Or yung combination nila ay pwede mag-iba-iba. So gagamit tayo ng fundamental counting principle para makuha yung kanilang total. Just simply multiply them, class. 10 times 3, so 30 ways. 30 ways tayo makakuha ng 4 dance routine. 2 for moderately difficult and 2 para sa difficult routines. Next is letter C. The question is, how about one easy and three difficult routines? So, katulad ng sa letter B, iwalay din po natin yung sa easy and sa difficult routines. So, take note lang po, dalawang pagpipilian para sa easy, ang kukunin ay isa, tatlo naman sa difficult, ang kukunin ay tatlo. Easy, total is 2. Okay, dalawa lang ang makukuha nating combination. And sa difficult naman, ang makukuha lang po natin ay isa. So just multiply 2 times 1 using fundamental counting principle. That is 2 ways. Okay, we are done with the number 1. So let's go directly to number 2 question. From a deck of 52 playing cards, 5 cards are to be drawn. How many sets of 5 cards are possible if, okay, ito yung restriction, ito yung condition rather, there is no restriction. So remember class, a standard deck of cards, 52 yung total because we have 4 suits. We have flower, diamond, spade, and clover. Every suit contains 13 cards from ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then Jack, King, Queen na cards. Total of 13. So 13 times 4, that is 52. So ilan kaya ang ating makukuha na 5 cards out of 52? Again, there is no restriction. So ibig sabihin, kahit anong suits, kahit ace, number cards, or the face cards, pwede po sa ating, pasok po siya sa ating combination. So n is 52, r is 5, and here's the solution on your screen. So as you can see in our solution part, so 47 in orange down to 1, kinancel na natin directly to the denominator, 47 down to 1 para malas yung value. Okay? Kasi minsan, hindi kaya ng calculator yung factorial notation na larger value. So we have our numerator here on your screen, and the final answer, makuha natin na set of cards, 5 sets of cards out of 52 ay 2,598,960. Okay? That's the answer for letter A. Next, let's move on to letter B. Same given, 5 cards, pero katulad din sa number 1, meron siyang division. Okay, di-divide natin. Out of 5, kukunin tayo ng 2 ace or alas, then 3 jacks. Okay, remember class, yung ace natin na pagpipilian lang sa card ay 4. We have the ace of 4 suits, spade, king, spade, clover, diamond, and hearts. So the answer is 6 ways. And for jacks, tatlo ang kukunin natin out of 4. That is 4 ways. So just multiply. 4 ways po yan, class. 4 ways. Just multiply. 6 times 4 is 24 sets of cards. Next, letter C. All cards are black. Remember, class, so all cards are black. Kasama po dito yung clover. Okay? Clover and spade ang involved. So 13 plus 13 class is 26 yung total natin. So ito yun. 26, 13 para sa spade and 13 para sa clover. They are all black. So final answer natin is 65,780 sets of cards. Okay? Letter D. For letter D, all cards are diamonds. So, diamond cards naman po natin, class, ay 13 lang yung bilang ng baraha for diamonds because we have the ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards, and the jack and queen. So, 13, kukunin yung 5 na cards. Final answer, class, is 1,287 sets of cards. Okay, let's move on to letter E. How about tatlong consideration na po, class? 3 face cards, 1 king, and 1 spade. Yung face cards natin, total ay 12 kasi meron tayong 4 suits, tatlo lang yung face card, jack, king, and queen. So 12, 4 times 3 is 12. Solution, final answer is 220 ways. Pwede nyo po siyang i-pause, then kopyahin or isulat sa inyong notebook para masundan or tumatak sa isip niyo. Same goes to king. 4 ang pagpipilian, isa lang yung kukunin based sa problem. Answer is 4 ways. And for the spade, we have 13 kasi yung 13 yung total. Total ng spade cards from ace to king. Total of 13 ways. Para makuha yung how many ways, so just multiply using fundamental counting principle. That is 11,440 sets of cards. Okay, so go back to number 1 kasi sa ating problem, meron tayong set A and set B. So, nandito na po tayo sa set B na activity. So, the question is, how many straight lines can be drawn using 5 points, A, B, C, D, and E, in which no 3 points are collinear. When you say collinear class, nandito yung isang point, nandito yung isang point, at nandito yung isang point. So, mean to say they are on the same line in a common plane. Okay? Sa isang plane sila ay nasa iisang linya. So, pero ang tanong po natin, class, is no 3 points are collinear. So, ibig sabihin ang mag-drawing po tayo ng point, point, then point na hindi sila magkasunod. That is a pentagon class. So, pag i-connect natin, the kind of polygon we form is pentagon. So, ilan kaya ang makukuha nating straight lines? 5, yung N, combination is, yung R po natin class is 2. Bakit 2? Because straight line, ang involved ay yung dalawang nasa dulo. Okay? Katulad nito. Let's say this is A and B. So, ibig sabihin, isang straight line na po yan. Okay? Isama rin po natin yung diagonal sa loob. So, total of 10 straight lines. Okay? So, on our screen, so nandyan po yung A, B, C, D, E nating vertices, then yung diagonals and the side. Next, number 2. In a box, there are 5 black pens. 5 black na pen, then 3 white, then 4 na red. Again, highlight ko lang. Black, white, and 4. So, the question is, in how many ways can 2 black pens and 2 white pens and 2 red pens be chosen? Okay? So, 3 category. So, black pens, ang kukunin lang natin sa black pens out of 5 ay 2 based sa problem. So, n natin is 5, yung pagpipilian, 2 yung kukunin. So, solution, final answer is 10 black pens. And for the white pens, based sa problem, pagpipilian natin ay 3, ang kukunin lang ay 2. Answer is 3 white. Then, for the red pens, 4 yung pagpipilian, kukunin lang natin ay 2. So, total of 6 red. So, using fundamental counting principle, the total unique combination is 180 ways. Okay, number 3. How many diagonals can be drawn in a 9-sided polygon? So, remember class, na yung polygon, yung diagonal rather, na tinutukoy natin ay yung straight line sa loob ng polygon. For example, meron tayong quadrilateral, 4-sided. So, yung diagonal natin is yung naka-yellow. 2 lang ang ma-form natin sa quadrilateral or 4-sided polygon. How about sa 9-sided polygon? So, 9, ang value ng n and r natin is 2. Why 2? Kasi yung ating line, yung dulo-dulo, ang ating binibilang. Okay? One endpoint is 1, then yung sa second endpoint is 2. That's why 2 yung total. Okay, with the formula, we have 36 lines. Take note sa 36 line, kasama po dyan ang side. So, isa-subtract lang po natin kasi 9-sided polygon, hindi siya kabilang. So, total of 27 diagonals. Okay? So, pag napapansin nyo, ito sa ating drawing, yan po ang mga red sa loob. 27 po yung total niya. Or, pwede rin po tayong gumamit ng shortcut. During your grade 7, pag-aralan ninyo kung how to get the number of diagonals of a certain polygon. So, we have the formula and the quantity of, multiplied to the quantity of n minus 3 over 2. Okay, this is applicable to all polygon. para makuha yung diagonals. Number 4 question, a group of 6 women and 9 men will form 4-person committees. How many committees are possible if must consist of the following? So yung condition natin class sa number 4 letter A ay 4, 2 lalaki, 2 babae. Pagpipilian natin is 6 na babae at saka 9 na lalaki. So again, 9 women ang pagpipilian, ang kukunin ay 2, 9 na lalaki, kukunin ay 2. Kasi 4 lang yung committee natin or the members of the committee. So here's the solution. For men, na 9 yung available, 2 yung pagpipilian. Solution, 36 men ang makukuha. For women, 6 yung pagpipilian, 2 yung kukunin lang para sa committee, total of 15. Then, total sa men and women, using fundamental counting principle, multiply lang po natin class, 540 unique committees ang mapo-form natin. Letter C. For letter C, majority of women. Okay? Same like in the previous solution, pero ngayon, ang majority po ay women. Okay. So let's say, walang lalaki, pero 4 na babae kasi majority po yung babae sa ating condition letter C. So the answer for men is 1 and 15 sa babae. That is total of 15 committees. Second condition, possible, pasok pa rin sa ating condition, isang lalaki, then 3 babae. So the answer is 9 for men and 24 women. So that is 180. Then, total class is 195 committees. Bakit hanggang dyan lang po tayo? Because, pag 2 yung lalaki, 2 yung babae, hindi na natin masasabi na siya ay majority of women. Okay? Kasi sa problem, kailangan mas mataas yung bilang ng babae sa lalaki. Okay. How about minimum of 2 women naman po tayo. So, as you can see on our screen, so we have the men, condition, and women. So, sa part naman po na ito, katulad ng sa mga previous example, kailangan mas malaki ang minimum, mas at least 2, okay, yung bilang ng babae. In the first condition, walang lalaki, then 4 na babae, that is 1 and 15, total of 15. How about 1 man and 3 women? Majority, minimum of 2 pa rin. So, pasok pa rin sa ating condition. So, that is 9 and 20. Then, minimum of 2 women. So, paano pagpantay yung bilang nila? Pasok pa rin sa condition natin. That is 36 and 15. Gagawin natin, sa sagot ng bawat condition ay i-add. Total of 735 committees. Okay, let's go to the last item for your for the solutions and answers in your activity last time. So there are 7 dots randomly placed on a circle. How many triangles can be formed using the dots as vertices? So the same lang sa ating previous example na merong diagonals. So ang pinagkaiba lang, medyo meron siyang tricky na include, which is the circle, para medyo confusing and challenging sa part. Pero yung method ay pareho lang po yun. Okay, 7 yung dot sa pagpipilian. So, yung most likely, yung figure na form natin ay heptagon. That is 7-sided polygon sa loob ng circle. So, here's the solution. Total of 35 triangles. Okay? So, in our illustration, so ganito po yung pagka-form. So, pwede nyo po siyang balik-balik na rin. 35 triangles po yung makukuha natin. That's all po. Thank you so much. So, sana may natutunan kayo and mag-review po kayo. Then, again, mag-aral kayo na mabuti din kasi yan din ay para sa inyo. Bye-bye. Thank you.